Hi, this is Arpit Joshipura. I head up open source networking, edge and access here at the Linux Foundation, and I'm really excited to join you virtually in the SONiC Foundation workshop in Japan. I'm going to give you a very quick overview on open source opportunities with SONiC and give you a very, very short momentum that we are seeing with SONiC. Before we get there, for those of you who are not familiar with Linux Foundation, we are the largest shared technology investment foundation where globally everybody can collaborate and create the largest shared technology investment. In terms of networking, we have over 100 projects, but from an end-to-end perspective, we have access, we have edge, and we have the core and the cloud networking stack. And on the right-hand side, you can see that at the NOS, network operating system level, we have the largest and the most important NOS, SONiC, right there, that sits in the base of the rest of the application stack for networking. So let me give you a quick overview of where we are in SONiC before you get into the workshop. The community has grown significantly, as you can see from the contributors, and we are now on a very steady cadence of 2 releases a year, significant commits per month, lots of active code contributors globally, and then we have several groups within SONiC Foundation that specialize on each of these topics. Now, we've all heard AI, and AI is so important, but how do you make sure that a network operating system is not just ready for AI, but it's optimized for AI? That's what SONiC is. So make sure you ask the expert on how they did that. Because right now, if you're looking for an open source network operating system that is AI optimized, it's SONiC. And we've had significant impact in pretty much all the regions in terms of social media, in terms of followers, in terms of content, and what I call the project has hit project market fit. In our Silicon Valley language, it has really seen the momentum over the last several years. In terms of deployment, here are just some examples, right? Microsoft Azure runs on SONiC. Alibaba Cloud runs on SONiC. Google, Broadcom, Target, AT&T, eBay, KDDI, just to name a few. We're really looking forward to even more deployments that we don't know about, primarily because we have a whole ecosystem of vendors that are supporting SONiC and integrate SONiC into their product, and they deploy it for the enterprise as well. So with that said, here's the community, or a few of the folks from the community, and we are on a steady cadence to bring the content to you all in the local regions. And we have started this year significantly with things at the Open Networking and Edge Summit, OCP, and now here we are at the workshop in Japan, and a whole bunch of other events coming up later this year. So please enjoy, learn, and if you're not a SONiC Foundation member, please go to the website, join the foundation. Your support, your contribution, and your funding goes a long way to create these kind of events globally so that we all can solve a very simple problem, but extremely complicated, which is what's the network operating system of the future for networking switches that is open source, and the answer is SONiC. So thank you very much. Enjoy the show.